BrightShield is the most complete portfolio for hassle-free, hygienic, and sustainable solutions in the restroom. In a new world where clean, touch-free, and hygienic experiences are strongly preferred in public spaces, Zurn's developed the BrightShield solution to help simplify building upgrades and restroom renovations. BrightShield Bundle, as we like to refer to it, for building owners, facility managers, architects, and like, is developed by Zurn Water Solutions to help make restroom upgrades easier, to make that product selection and upgrade as simple as possible. And as you can see in the graphic below, that ZWS bundle of solutions includes the Zurn brand of commercial plumbing, your faucets, flush valves, soap dispensers, as well as things like hand dryers from the World Dryer line of product. We have partitions that are part of the Zurn BrightShield package. That's the Hadrian line of product you can see as well. We've got mixing valves and things like hand washing systems or sink systems as well. And then it also includes drinking water solutions, as well as some of the newer innovative things like occupancy lights, as you can see pictured. There's 4 primary benefits that the BrightShield bundle was created to deliver today. That's savings, hygiene, it's a complete solution, and of course, it's sustainable. From a savings standpoint, you're talking about improved reliability of a product, cost-saving opportunities, and ultimately efficiencies that come from working with a single source provider. This really plays out in paying for itself with operational savings, maintenance improvements, and repair costs over the life of the restroom. From a hygienic standpoint, we've curated a collection of products that are a good fit for a modern restroom today, improving the reduction of touch points, moving to a touch-free environment. These things are often easier to clean. Devices are selected with the janitorial side in mind as well for cleaning efficiencies and reducing the maintenance impact as well. As a complete solution, this is a simpler, single-sourced, and often faster application to work with. With only one manufacturer providing a complete restroom upgrade, it's single-sourced and backed with an extended warranty from a single supplier as well. And from a sustainability impact, we're talking about the ability to reduce and recycle, environmental impact from the restrooms. We have a water savings opportunity. There's energy, natural resources reductions from a portfolio of solutions, as mentioned previously in a few examples, to help organizations meet those stewardship goals. We looked very closely at the education and office market segments as we think of the new normal coming off of a global pandemic. The 2 primary areas where the work is coming together is you can think of kids going back to school, as well as many of us returning to office. So many of the shifts that are now happening include closer attention to things like hygiene and touch points as a result of COVID. But really, there's more than that. There's elements like deferred maintenance in a lot of these facilities that have gone unchecked. We'll say there have been other priorities put in its place. We now are in an environment where it's about attracting students at the K-12 and university level, providing that safe, clean, hygienic environment. There's some ESSER funding opportunities that can help facilitate some of these upgrades in designated areas. And on the commercial office side, we're talking about bringing people back to work and some of the significant impacts around those operational efficiencies from those who are responsible for maintaining those office buildings, especially despite some current labor shortages. The ESG component and governance that we highlighted earlier, and more importantly than anything else, establishing a healthy, safe environment for those employees returning to the office so that they can focus on what's most important. Generally starts with an upgrade from the faucet and flush valve, choosing the good fit models that are applicable for your facility. And in addition to the faucet and flush valve upgrade, it could be any 2 of the products of the remainder of the portfolio. Things like the hand dryers, could be the occupancy lights that we offer, as well as partitions, sink hand washing systems, or things like the portable hand washing solution as well. Thank you very much for joining today's presentation.